All right, LSU moving on up.
They are, although I don't think Penn State should be ranked ahead of them, do you?
I'm not sure about that one.
Want to think that over. Voters in the BCS standings were more impressed with Penn State's win over Michigan State than they were with LSU's over Ole Miss. While USC and Texas remain first and second in the standings, Penn State moves up to the third spot ahead of LSU, which now stands fourth in the rankings. If Les Miles feels his LSU Tigers deserve more respect from the BCS, he certainly wouldn't admit to that. The LSU coach, who's getting his team ready to take on Arkansas and Baton Rouge on Friday, says the focus is on the field, not the newspapers.
If this thing comes around, you know, somebody trips up and and we earn the position and the right to step into the mix, that'd be great. But that's not our focus in any way. We're looking at Arkansas and Arkansas only.
In news of note from around the NFL, Jets quarterback Brooks Bollinger is slated to return to the starting lineup for the Jets against the Saints on Sunday night, having sufficiently recovered from a concussion yesterday. Donovan McNabb will have season-ending surgery on a sports hernia after Thanksgiving, and the Miami Dolphins will be without middle linebacker Zach Thomas for at least 2 games with a separated shoulder, hurt in yesterday's 22-0 loss to the Browns. Last week at the NFL owners' meetings in Kansas City, the commissioner of the NFL urged that Tom Benson and his fellow owners adopt some outside-the-box thinking to help the New Orleans Saints franchise during these unprecedented times. Additional draft picks, more revenue sharing, and salary cap relief were all areas that he urged be explored in order to help the Saints in Louisiana in an uncertain future. Ever willing to do our part, even when nobody asks us to, even when nobody probably wants us to. The Eyewitness Sports Department has compiled a list of suggestions that, if adopted, could radically change the fortune and the fortunes of this franchise. And so, here they are, the top 10 ways to make New Orleans more lucrative, entertaining, and competitive. Number 10, instead of winning the coin flip, the only way Saints opponents can get the opening kickoff is to guess the Powerball numbers. Number 9, Tom Benson allowed to remove shirt in owner's box. Number 8, opponents must allow former FEMA director Michael Brown to construct defensive game plan. Number 7, Benson Cadillac becomes exclusive dealership for New Orleans Police Department. Number 6, pre-Katrina Dome Dogs mandatory pregame meal for opponents. Number 5, Paul Tagliabue is Rex. Number 4, instead of sniffing ammonia to alert senses before games, opponents must stick heads in discarded refrigerators on city streets. Number 3, FEMA trailers instead of hotel rooms for visiting teams. Number 2, Aaron Broussard controls flow in opponents' locker room whirlpool. And the number 1 way to make the Saints more lucrative, entertaining, and competitive, NFL declares San Antonio the official New Orleans landfill.
I predict T-shirts will be made after this commentary.
I think all of these are workable, and I'd like to see them explored.
I think you ought to do this every week. All right, Jim, that was a beaut. Well, we've seen some rain and the return of some more fall-like weather. Are we